Hey everybody, really quickly, there's a Markdown visualization package called Mermaid that I think you should look into, and I'll give you some examples. Now, what we do is the same idea. I'm going to go into Python 3 and import business ready. And I've added CDP, so let's do NXOS show CDP neighbors. And what you're going to see is, in addition to the business ready files, the CSV, HTML, JSON, and tabular markdown, and the mind map markdown, we have 4 new Mermaid markdown. And if you look closely, you can see that they have the 3 hashes mermaid that wrap the markdown. And we can render it like this is a class view. So it makes almost class documentation for each CDP neighbor. Now, if we look at the other different formats, this one is a flowchart. Now, the flowchart is really neat for CDP neighbors in that we see our device on the left, its local interface, and then either the remote interface on the right, or if the interface is the same on both sides, the linkage. So this is a full topology view generated automatically. I'm not in Visio, I'm not messing around with Draw.io, I'm just running my business ready. Now let's take a look at one more, and I like this one as a relationship view, where we can see that switch 1 has management 0 connected to this other device and the platform and other information. And then the fourth one might be the best of them all, which is a state diagram. So this is pretty neat. We have the switch, the local interface, the remote interface, and then the remote device with its hold time, platform, and capability. Again, this is called Mermaid, and I'm going to be doing a lot more with this. But for now, I've done CDP neighbors just to get my feet wet. It comes as a VS Code extension, and what's really cool is those visualizations will render in GitHub with just natively in GitHub. So it has a slight advantage over the mind maps in that it will render in GitHub without any extensions or overhead. Mermaid for Markdown. We'll see you soon.